In May 2024, Filipino scientist Richard Gomez and his son Rigel won 3 gold awards and grand prize for their invention entries in the Innovate International Invention and Innovation Summit in Krakow, Poland for its natural-based pharmaceutical-grade food supplements.
Bauer is a German word meaning farm. BauerTech Pharmaceutical Technologies, from farm to pharmaceutical. BauerTech was established in 2019. That was only a few days before COVID-19 ay kumalat sa buong mundo.
The pandemic did not deter Richard from charging forward.
We produced millions and millions of face masks dito. We distributed them nationwide, and a lot of them we distributed sa mga LGUs, sa mga communities for free. Wala tayong alcohol. We made tons and tons of alcohol. Wala nang disinfectant ng Philippines. I made tons and tons of disinfectants and distributed them sa mga iba't ibang LGU. Nakikita ko yung mga tao, naghihintay na lang ng ayuda ni Kapitan. I cannot take that. So nag-open ako, nag-hiring ako ng mga tao.
Being a certified naturopathic practitioner, Richard treats almost 100 patients a day. From manufacturing, BauerTech is also into farming, hybridizing, cloning tissue culture.
Hindi ako kumbinsido sa sinasabi na maintenance medication habang buhay iinom sila ng gamot. So I established BauerTech Pharmaceutical Technologies so I can make medicines for my own patients. So I accept toll manufacturing services para sa other companies.
BauerTech also forged partnerships and alliances with the Department of Science and Technology and different state universities.
I realized that the Philippines actually imports a lot of these raw materials. Alam niyo ba na 90% ng malunggay natin sa Pilipinas, ini-import pa natin sa China at saka sa Vietnam? Samantalang sa likod bahay mo, magtusok ka ng malunggay, tutubo. A lot of the local varieties that we have are not appropriate for pharmaceutical standards. So kami ngayon ay nag-hybridize, nag-cloning, nag-tissue culture ng variety na gagamitin do sa farming. So now we have everything. We have PiCure, the most powerful antioxidant in the world today.
The decision to establish his business in Bulacan is driven by its strategic location, accessibility, and the availability of manpower.
Bulacan may be the proper place for this manufacturing facility.
The most advanced research, development, and manufacturing facility in the Philippines is still on expansion mode. Richard also believed in empowering the communities through farming cooperatives.
I invited the community to learn how to plant yung mga herbal plants na kailangan ko, malunggay, sambong, banaba, lagundi, turmeric, and now they're making more money. The community is now empowered. State universities are being assisted sa kanilang mga research capability na tutulungan natin sila to upgrade their capacity building. Nag-OJT sa atin ang kanilang mga estudyante. Even ang kanilang mga academe, yung mga faculty, are also having their micro-credentials at BauerTech.
BauerTech is heavily involved in research as an enabler to achieving progress for the country.
Gusto natin na manguna tayo. Baka naman ang Pilipinas ay mauna na rin instead na nakikigaya lang katulad ngayon. Kaya natin lahat umasenso. Kaya natin pagbutihin natin para tayo masenso. Hindi natin isipin ang sarili lang natin. Isipin natin kung paano tayo makakatulong sa kapwa natin. Paano tayo makakatulong sa bansa natin.
The story of BauerTech provides hope for the Philippines to achieve a competitive stature in science and technology. Richard Nixon Gomez has proven that science and business can thrive together and be useful to the promotion of health, industry, and the economy. The scientist entrepreneur is ripe for being cited as Bulacan's most promising businessman in the biotech manufacturing category. Mr. Richard Nixon Gomez of Giginto, Bulacan.